everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1966 Chevrolet Nova. Pretty car, guys. Recent body up restoration. Car's finished in Tuxedo black. It's got the black vinyl interior. It's got a healthy aluminum headed 327 cubic inch engine, Muncie 4-speed manual trans, 12 bolt rear end, Wilwood disc brakes. Pretty car. 17-inch chrome American Racing torque thrust 2s on it. Pretty car. Chrome and stainless is nice on the car. Car's got slick Tuxedo black paint, guys. Padded dash. Good, solid, straight body. Car's nice and flat down the sides. That's the nice thing about a black car, man. It shows you. Nice and straight down the sides. There's a couple little scratches there that he had touched up. Love the wheels on it. Those are chrome too, they're not polished. Floorboards are painted all shiny black on this car. And like I say, it's got a good running small block in it, guys. Wilwood front disc brakes. You can see the paint slick. Yeah, this is an aluminum headed 327 cubic inch engine. It's got a quick fuel 4-barrel on it. Victor Jr. aluminum intake. Nice set of ceramic headers. It's got an MSD box. It's in the glove box with a Pro Billet distributor. Aluminum radiator with a shroud. Muncie 4-speed manual trans. Billet air cleaner and valve covers. Car is pretty. Trim's nice. New door handles, new door rubbers. Guys, I've got a ton of new cars that have come in. And unfortunately, I'm actually leaving tomorrow. You're going to see a bunch of coming soons on the website. Get a hold of Leroy or get a hold of Jay, and they can get you some more pictures. But unfortunately, I'm going to be gone. And if you get a hold of the guys, they can get you some more photos and stuff. 73,000 original miles, factory dash, AM radio. It's got some aftermarket gauges, Hurst shifter. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust, 12 bolt 411 limited slip rear end. And this car scoots, guys. Fun car to bang the gears. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Relocated the battery back here. Man, this little car is tough. Again, the floors are all painted shiny black. I know I've got a couple emails. You guys like to see Jay kind of get on them. I apologize, but our neighborhood police have been actually down the road writing tickets, and I don't think they'd be very happy if he spun the tires in front of them, so he's had to kind of tone it down here the last couple of days. Jackson gear drive, you can probably hear that. Car just hits a lick, man. Fuel gauge works, gauges there work, parking brake does work. Sure the radio doesn't work. Yeah. Blower motor work? Yep. No wipers. Jay said we're going to have to check the wipers. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page, or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Look how straight that car is, man. Have a great day, guys.